What's going on, guys? Quote of the day. Today's quote is be selfish. You know when we're on an airplane and they tell you, like, put your mask on first before you put it on your kid? Somewhat like that, right? To where, let's say I am pouring all of my energy into other people and then I don't take care of myself and then I run out of energy to pour into those other people. You have to be selfish in your time, and especially in your time and your energy, to where I go time block in the morning, time for strat. Just me. I don't want my girlfriend. I don't want my wild ass son. It's me to recharge my batteries, doing whatever. Like, I have my morning routines, but sometimes I will just escape and go on a walk. Or maybe I do want to play fucking video games. I don't care what you guys think. I need to unwind and recharge my batteries. It's okay. So what we have to do is be selfish. Be selfish so you can recharge and keep going. Quote of the day.